What's up guys, we're going to be doing the best budget smartphone deals you can get right now for February, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first deal is the Samsung Galaxy S9. So this is an awesome deal, so pretty much go get it if you got the money to get it right now and switch over. You can get the Galaxy S9 for $405 if you switch over to Cricket. So you can get the phone for $350, but they're asking $55 minimum for the plan. So you have to get the $55 plan, and that comes with 2 GB, 5 GB unlimited, and you get all that good stuff. You know, it's just pretty much the unlimited plan for Cricket. I hear Cricket is pretty good service for a prepaid. It's not, you know, it's no better than Metro PCS. I've used that, so it's a pretty decent service. But you guys know what you're getting with the Galaxy S9. You're getting top-notch flagship phone. Android should be have 9.0. You get a 5.8-inch Quad HD display, 5.7 inches. You get up to 64 GB of internal storage. You can put a SD card slot in there, get 400 GB. You're also getting a top-notch camera, and like I said, this is a top flagship phone, so it's pretty much a no-brainer. Just an excellent deal. The next phone is the Google Pixel 2 for $269. It is fully unlocked and refurbished. This deal is just slam dunk out of the park. This is an awesome deal. I'm actually kind of mad I didn't see this you know, a while ago, but it does have a 5-inch display, 1080p AMOLED display, Android, latest version of Android, 2700 milliamp battery. And we all know with the Pixel, this has the best camera in the game right now. So if you are love to take photos and you love to take photos on your smartphone, this is a no-brainer. I would say skip the S9, get this, because this phone is really amazing what the camera can do. It produces some really great photos. So if you've seen the best cameras from MKBHD, this phone is at the top of the list. I think actually won. So check this phone out if you love to take pictures. It's an excellent smartphone. You're gonna get the latest version of Android. It's a beast. Alright, last on the list is the Moto X4. So this is for people that's trying to keep the price a little below. This is a great smartphone for $150. So you do get a full 1080p display. It does come with the Android 9.01 operating system, Android One, 64 GB of storage with a micro SD card. It is waterproof. You do have those dual cameras on the back, and you also have 6 GB of RAM, which is pretty crazy, and a Snapdragon 630 in a 3000 milliamp battery. So you're getting some pretty great specs for a sub $200 smartphone. So this is an excellent smartphone. Like I said, my only gripe with this phone would be the design. It looks a little outdated. As you can see, there's no edge-to-edge display on it really, but other than that, if you don't like the notch look or you don't really care for the edge-to-edge display, this is going to be an excellent smartphone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.